I know we reached a certain point that we both wish we didn't, but is there any hope at all? Is there? Is there? Catch myself reminiscing on all our core memories like droplets. They run down my eyes as I cry. I know it's delusional to hold out on you, but I'm not ready for a life without you. So when it rains, will you be here at all? At all? At all? Would you pick up if I call? Even with an umbrella to protect us both, would I still lose you in the rainfall? The rainfall, the rainfall, the rainfall.